Hey again. I got some stuff fixed yesterday. So I mean the usual. But now that I have items that stack, and now it saves those items that stack. Look at all this shit I did yesterday. It's pretty crazy. Yeah! So basically I copied my containers function, made it work for this, for another list, the stack. And the difficult part, apparently this fixed everything. What was it? Getting the last index of it, adding one, rather than getting this amount variable from the item. I don't know why the amount didn't work, but hey, what's up? As usual. It's awesome. I was like, should I schedule a stream so that people know to show up right at the start? But no, people show up right at the start. It's cool. So that's yesterday. Now I'm going to work on building stuff. Let's make that build menu look better. So right now it doesn't even have a background. Building types. Button for closing. So I could probably... I haven't worked with stuff like that in a while. Let me open my character panel, or whatever it is. The appearance, because I did some cool stuff with that. I'll just remind myself what I did here. What is this? Background image, the border. Okay, I'll try throwing a border under. What the hell? Building tips. Scroll box, building canvas panel. I guess the just fits above, there's nothing here in this space. Okay, so I'm gonna just put these two things on the... Nope, can't have multiple children. Okay. How about just the building types then? And a background image. It's probably just an image, right? Image, yeah. Okay, let me do that instead. There we go. Oh no. Where'd the image go? Oh. There we go. Right, no. I messed up my widget building types. It's on the button again. Okay. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Canvas building types. I just try slapping an image in there. Okay, there we go. And put it behind everything else. There we go. Okay. Sweet. Okay. And now it can just be like a color, or like what I did before was just kind of find something random. Why is it? There we go. for building stuff. I mean, wood works again, right? Just freaking... Let me find the same one, because I think I made a copy of it. Wood OQI. Yeah, because I made it for user interface. Jeez, why? What the frick? There we go. Okay. And it should tile. What? What? It's tiny. That's sort of better. Yeah. So building types. Just make it slightly transparent. A specific item needs sort of more of like a solid-ish background behind it. Let me skip to, let's just do the next thing on here. Oh, it's not a canvas slot though. This is. Okay, there we go. No. Okay. Size of this is 1000 by 30. Okay, there we go. Now this text should just be, or maybe the background image can just be black. I'll make it slightly transparent. So, check it out. Loading. Low adding. Make sure this fellerette can build. Was it Traveler I made? Is the only one so far as building. It's not bad. What do you think? Check it out. Game of Flame. I forget what I did to make it like Control, Alt. Shouldn't Shift be doing something here? How did I make it snap? Anyway. Yeah, what do you think of the menu? bring the inside in a bit, but I kind of like how it looks like that, almost like a box or something. I don't know. It'll fill it up. There will be a scroll on the side at some point, and this will squish in. I don't know how that'll work. I'll have to see how it looks. But you know, this is very temporary, so I think I don't want to work on it too much. At least it looks better than before. And it's not translucent. This one is translucent. You can see the wooden texture behind it, but this is not really. Oh, I guess this opacity doesn't affect that. Visibility is good. I guess I'd have to change it. The source. It's cool though. Alright. So when you build an item, note doesn't end with a return node. Okay. Get owning player. Get build button B is enabled. What happened here? What? I guess this doesn't. I never finished this. Okay, here's the main thing. Start building with this build item, which is this building class, and then remove it. So from the controller, start building, and then we get all this jazz. Yeah. So where's my camera trace? Man. Crouch held down. Oh, the crouch button is C. Okay. So that's why I wasn't able to do the snapping. Let me don this attire. Oh. It appeared to not save these items properly. My player spawned items save thing is not complete, but that's fine. It's not what I'm working on right now. Alright, use build, hold C, and it'll snap to objects. Oh, that's for snapping to objects. Right, C is to snap. Okay. What is the snap angles? 45-degree angles. 5. Action rotate left. It's 45. So what is that? Item rotation left. Input? I haven't done this in a while. Wow. Number pads. That's right. Okay. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you can do it by snapping with the number pad or using WASD loosely. Whee! C snaps the angle, but then, oh wait, no, I want to snap the spot. What was snapping the specific? Was shift? Oh, shift snaps to the object in question. Or, what did it do? Yeah, it's supposed to. I don't know what it's snapping to in all these places. Maybe it doesn't work so well. C is doing it correctly. Let me just... I need to make an escape button cancel it too. Or something like that. Just kind of by eye here. Let me try that again. There we go. Shift works here. I think it was blocked by something. So then if I rotate it... That's weird. Why is it... Oh. That's not the direction I wanted. Just do C, get that angle, and then... twist it? I can put it, snap it to that corner. Anyway, I'm just playing around. I should probably fix that item save thing. Did not correctly save items that were player made. In the bag, the container. So back to what I was working on yesterday. Weren't stacked items though. They were items in a container. Because it's spawning the items. Maybe do the containers thing after the for each is done so that it finishes spawning them. Like after this is completed. After it's completed, it goes to load buildings. So maybe yeah, I can do that completed. Do the containers after everything's spawned. Let's try that out. This is very important, I should say. Almost finished. Because these are player created items. Hi, new on your channel. What's up, Tucano Blue? Nice to meet you. You can check out You start as this poof of smoke. I got some nice, I got stained glass, some nice lighting effects, time of day. Right now it's kind of fast just to demonstrate it. This is how you pick your race. I've got 10 races. Here's a human. Here's an avian elf. Here's an elf. Anyway, dwarf. Can get some facial hair on him. Personal favorite, lizard men. Isn't this the server that I started a character with? That item didn't work anyway? I guess it doesn't matter about client or server. Okay, anyway. And this is how you go into the game, because eventually there's nothing else to do up here, you just have to jump out. These are the only 2 continents I've put in the game so far. The frame rate's a little bad because I'm full screen while streaming, but okay, the idea is I wanted to see that if I quit and load in now with that saved character, if it saved the items in the back correctly. No, it didn't. See, that's the problem. So did this when completed. I guess I can't do that because it has to spawn. It has to get some items from. No, that's the world save game. Doesn't need the index. Yeah, it uses the index from the for each loop, so I can't do it when completed. I guess just do another for each loop. Because it does have to be a for each, it's not just one time. That's kind of a duh moment for me. And then basically just say it's also all these actors, which I want to see. Basically I want to do the containers after I spawn everything. So don't need array element up there, apparently. I just need the index. Because I'm not seeing anything going. Because it should already have spawned. Oh, it's getting the item from there. Maybe it'll still work as a reference. I thought I tested this. Maybe not. Watch blend shape with matinee tutorial. Yeah, that's fun stuff. That's stuff I can do. Just kind of want to make sure that I have a game to do it in. Okay, basically all the stuff here that goes all of these blue lines basically have to go up there. Half of them are going down there anyway. Target item reference. This works for items that already exist in the game, so that's I think the problem here is. Like, do it again, maybe? No, because then you would spawn everything. Just once completed. Yeah, I could just try it. I just saved my whole project last night, so item containers is good. What else is going up there? Container items. Looks like everything else is going down here. Yeah. Okay. I guess I should replace those lines too. Just might as well. Stack. Target stack. Target amounts. And target that's it stack. This one going to player item stacks. Okay, that's fine. Basically, this is only going to these, and then everything else is going here. Try that. Bug testing time. So much fun. But you want to make sure your systems work before you go off making more systems that don't work, right? It's my philosophy, at least. So this is quick. I just need to hop in, open the bag, log out, log in, open the bag. Assuming I plugged everything in correctly. Nope. Just seeing, did I do the completed? Yeah. And do another for each loop. Cast those items and would probably want to be, is it a world item first? These back on here. Okay, the way I had it before sort of worked. Where, and this does work with items that already existed in the world. I could have swore I thought I tested this and it worked, so maybe I did something else wrong. Maybe it was the one thing that I still hadn't done. It's kind of important. Okay, see, so this gives me two items that just doesn't know their details. They're blank, right? Okay, so if I try to get either of them, it refreshes it. Okay, so and that's where I get a million return on container item. Okay, so that does work. It's just these items that are supposed to be in it haven't like been spawned yet. So maybe I say, oh, if it's a container, like, how do I tell it to like come back and do the rest? Like add it to the end of this. I think you can modify an array while you're going through it. So if I put it to the append item actors here, and then some sort of flag to say it's been appended. So that it gets done at the end. We'll check on the Googles. Okay, Unreal Engine array append during for loop. Array array sorting. Maybe I can sort it first. Let me do for each if it's a container. Remove it from the array and append it to the array. There are some ways to do this apparently, so get the while loop body, step through array. Insert. What's this while loop? Some stuff I haven't done before. So just chilling for now. So I'm gonna sort by bool. It's gotta be easy. Count number of true booleans, bool arrays are not allowed. Sort an array of pointers. Alright, sort by property. For each the array and place them in another array, setting the index by compared something. Yeah, this is the same thread. Oh, array doc. You can use the filter array or remove item and drop them back into your array in the order of your preference. So filter takes an array of type actor and filters it based on an incoming class, only containing those items from the original array that match the type of the connected class. I don't want it by class. Contains or get item insert move. I can just say okay. All instances of an item. Let's check out this filter. It has to be by class. Okay. I can make all bags be children classes of bags of the bag class, and then just search by bag. Have it be done afterwards. Instead, filtered array. So that does a whole bunch of stuff for me. Filters it. The result is a new array only containing that match type. I don't know. No, I think that doesn't remove them. Variable. First time the variable of that variable is found within the array. Insert item last index length. Remove index. I guess I do that. So I will, if it's true, I will get the index, remove that index, and then add the item to the filter to the end. That should add it to the end. Move and add to the end, and then basically I might get stuck there. So I need to set a variable on it or something. It might just keep going through it. Because you can edit it while it's going through the for each. So it'll add it, remove it, add it to the end, and it'll get to it again. It'll just keep removing it and adding it to the end. Or maybe it'll skip. If there's only one of them, it might skip it, but I just make a new one. Let's see, okay, containers. Just make a separate array for containers. Oh, but then it has to deal with a whole bunch of other shit. Yeah, the index still has to come from there. Oh, I make a separate index and then append it once completed. That's it. A variable, temp container array. Array of items. So we're gonna add it to this. array, and then once completed, we'll append. And then do it. The idea being, by doing the containers after all the items have been spawned, the items should be there to be stored. Because I was seeing that. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, but I think that should do it. Fuck. Nope. Might be that it's not spawned yet. Like, I can't cast to it. It's not in the game yet. It's a reference to something that's not there. I'm gonna show off my lovely Drow Palace. I want to take a look at this. Just got started here. There's nothing really, no props or anything. Okay, so did it print the string? No, it didn't. Oh, it cast the spawned item failed. Okay, see, for 2 items. Bammo. So that's just to get the is container. So what I can do is, because I don't need this otherwise, I need the array of bools here. Get that. Index of is container. Oh, did I not make that is a container? Okay, so on the world save game, an array of bools called is container. So just adding a bool if it's a container. Now I can do this instead. Container. And get the array index. And then that will be my branch. Alright. So I have to go through this, open up the bag. What do you guys think about lizard men being on the like good faction? Like, or noble? Any input? Shit. Oh, that's weird. Bunch of items are like overlapping each other. Replaced with each other. Shit. That's real messed up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah, no, I can't be appending this shit. It worked, but in the wrong way. Maybe while sorting the array at the beginning. No, because I don't have to change all of its variables. That's why it got fucked up. Let me just make sure everything's kosher without that. So I do have to figure this out. This is like essential to the game. Having items that you create that can save what's in them. That's kind of important. Okay, everything is what it's supposed to be. If I load up again. So that's the problem with sorting, resorting those arrays. Okay. So it does work with items that already exist. The problem is that they don't exist. I have to, like, say basically if it's maybe is it a container, then append to this out actors. Let me do that here. That might work. Why is the uppercase I shorter than the lowercase L? Somebody got that wrong. Okay, good. Just get his container here. Completed. Oops, forgot the branch. Okay, so it gets sorted to the beginning of this, to the end of this overall list. Maybe that'll do it. Sorry for the false advertising on that. It said it was working as intended. Kind of funny. Okay, it's just spawned. Wait a second. I have a theory. I think I did test this. It might just be that I haven't saved these items somehow. So if I wear them and then put them back in the bag. Because I know if I wear them, yeah, that's saving. So the item is saved. It's just the fact that it's in the bag. The remove button here isn't working. Okay, not plugged in yet, I guess. Okay, but I got this tunic I can wear, remove, stow it in the bag, drop the bag, get the bag. It's there. Nope. Okay. But the leggings are on. That saved a reference. And it saved the bag, which is a player spawned item. It's the fact that it's in a container. Well, maybe the world items should go to the beginning of the list now. I thought that would do it. Once the item, if the item is spawned already, then it should be able to get its details. Really thought that would do it. Could have sworn I tested player spawned containers saving and it was working, right? Should I go back? Hey, Koi Quinn, how you doing? Maybe I adjusted something in the code for how it works up there and didn't reflect that here. Looks the same though. Uh-oh. Oh, I just never, yeah, I never wore it with this guy. Oh, I guess the thing is I tested it with the player starting bag and world items. Oh shit, I just realized my laptop speaker was playing this whole time. I hope you didn't hear my voice doubling. That might have been annoying. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. The bag does work. The player spawned bag does work. It's just the items that were spawned did not get saved. So maybe like it's like this. The list is a reference to that array. You know, these spawned actors are new items, so they're not going to be referenced by that container or that list. So maybe I want to replace that integer. Can you send me the ebook about UE4, please? Thank you. Just gonna type here. Deleted the message in YouTube. Okay, I think that's what I have to do. I have to replace the reference in this array. Item actors. So if I get that actor, no, I want to remove that integer and insert this actor at that. Remove index. And insert. What? Item to insert into there. Oh. Bam. Hell yeah. How about that? Now I have a new reference to the newly spawned item. I don't know what you expect here, asking for copyright materials on there we go. I don't know, that's weird. Delete. let me get a human because there's more stuff on that side to play with. Actually, I'm only testing the starting bag, so whatever. I'll just hop out. So, let's see if it works. No. I think I'm on the right track, theoretically, but yeah, maybe not so soon. Maybe if it's no, I want all of them to be like that. But just for that index, right? Because then, yeah, that's not being referenced by anything else down there. Just the for each loop here. Oh. Maybe after it's been handled itself? Still want its own properties, you're just looking for other objects' properties, so once it's been handled, you put it into the things to be dealt with, otherwise, pile. Sequence matters, let's find out. It's kind of annoying though, I thought I had done this already. Dwarf. Actually, no, I'm thinking about it close to correctly, but I'm not doing it right. It's not that I have to remove it from there. I have to remove the list of containers and replace it with... Jesus. I don't know if that's gonna work. This is really fucking up the whole game. Reconnected here? Okay. So, as I was saying, maybe I can get the index here, add this new item to a new index, and get the containers from that index. Get there. Oh god, this is so... I don't know. Dismay. Man, I really don't know. I have to stop this and think about this.